Why dogs stare at you so intently? Dogs are naturally attached to their owners, and they take an interest in what their favorite humans do. Watching people is how they gather information about our actions. Dogs also stare to get signals as to what is happening next. Essentially, they are waiting for us to do something that will impact them, like picking up the leash to take them for a walk, or to perform a specific command like sit and earn a reward. Dogs also stare to manipulate their owners to get what they want. This is a common scenario with begging at the dinner table. Of course, plenty of dogs stare is simply out of an expression of love. Research has shown that this nonverbal way of communication increases levels of the love hormone called oxytocin in dogs.